Hi folks, my name is Mark. Welcome to my course, which is called Build Muscle and Get Lean. This course is basically a weight training system that's designed specifically for the busy person, okay? So what makes this course different from many of the other courses out there today? Basically, a lot of the courses available today, they're often instructed by a person who spends a lot of time in the gym, and you can tell this by looking at their physique. They may be in the gym 4 or 5 times a week. The chances are they'll have a very strict eating regime. A lot of the time as well, they're probably taking substances like anabolic steroids. Sometimes they admit it, sometimes they don't. However, although what they teach will often work, for 95% of the people out there, it won't work because it's not sustainable. So what do most people actually want? Most people don't actually want to be a bodybuilder or look like a bodybuilder. Most people don't want to be the strongest person in the gym or the fittest person in the gym. Most people just want to build a little more muscle, tone up a little bit, lose a bit of fat and get a bit fitter. That's what most people want to do. However, most people, like myself, don't have as much time as perhaps they used to have. Things change in life. Families come along, okay? Work changes. Work can be unpredictable, some weeks can be longer than others. So people don't always have as much time to commit to a gym as they'd like to. So what this system is about, it's something that is easy to maintain, it's very achievable. It's a training system that is focused roughly around training 3 times a week with short sessions. However, if it's a particularly busy week and you can only get in twice, you can adapt the system to allow for that. What we'll talk about on this course, we'll talk about what training muscle groups to combine, which ones to avoid, how muscles actually grow, what machines to use, what machines to avoid. This way you will learn the basics, so you can adapt routines to suit yourself. You'll know exactly what to do in a gym, what to avoid. When you see other people train, it'll be self-evident mistakes they are making, and you'll realise that their training is just inefficient or they're overtraining. I will also provide some training systems as well in some modules further along. So you can copy the training circuits, and after a while you can adapt them to suit yourself as well. So that's what makes this course different from a lot of the other courses out there. So also, who is this course suitable for? Well, it can be suitable for the beginner, it can be suitable for someone who's been training for years and maybe they're stuck in a bit of a rut. It's suitable for males and females alike. It doesn't matter what age you are, okay? This course will suit anybody who wants to simply get a little bit stronger, get a little bit leaner, but doesn't have as much time to commit to training as maybe some of the other people do. What I will say though on this course, it's like anything else in life. What you put in will roughly give you what you get out. So if you want to train just once a week and you follow the principles on this course, yes, you will see some benefits. You will get a little bit stronger and a little bit fitter, of course you will. However, if on average you can commit to 3 times a week and you're willing to make changes to your eating habits as suggested on this course, you will see greater gains. This system will work. Within 6 to 8 weeks you will be able to see a difference in your strength levels, your physique will start to change, you'll also find your confidence picks up as well. So, hope you enjoy the course, I'm sure you'll get plenty of value out of it. And let's get started with the first module.